To download Mendeley Desktop for Windows 11, start by searching for Mendeley on Google and navigate to the first website, which is a reference management software provider. Click on the site, then locate the download button at the top right corner of the page. Select the Download Now for Windows option, and the download process will begin. Once the download is complete, click on the installer to open it. You will be prompted to choose whether to make the software available to all users or just yourself. Make your selection, then press Install. After installation, Mendeley will be available on your computer. When you open it, you will be asked to create an account if you don't have one or log in if you are not already signed in. To log in, enter your email address, then your password, and choose whether to stay signed in or not. Once you've completed these steps, you can start using Mendeley as desired.